Are you tired of scrolling past job scams and fake opportunities? It's frustrating to feel like you're constantly hitting dead ends when trying to find legit ways to make money online. Get ready for 25 legit ways you can start making money online from home today. No fluff, no lies. Welcome to Money Matters with Hope. Real tips for real people. Hey there, I'm Hope from Money Matters with Hope, and I'm so excited you're here. Let's dive right in and explore the best online opportunities that actually pay. Do you find yourself constantly coming up with captivating captions or crafting heartfelt emails? You might have a knack for freelance writing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect talented writers with clients who are willing to pay for your way with words. Are you super organized and love the feeling of a perfectly managed to-do list? Then being a virtual assistant might be your calling. Businesses big and small are constantly searching for organized and reliable virtual assistants to help them manage the behind-the-scenes magic. Think about it, managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling customer inquiries, all from the comfort of your own home. It's like being the CEO of efficiency. Are you a whiz at math, fluent in another language? Maybe you can explain complex scientific concepts in a way that's actually easy to understand. If you answered yes to any of these, then online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle. Platforms like Preply and Cambly make it so easy to connect with students all over the world who are eager to learn from you. Imagine the feeling of helping someone grasp a new concept or improve their language skills. It's incredibly rewarding, and you get paid for it. Do you have a passion you could talk about for hours? Maybe it's cooking, fashion, travel, or even something unique like collecting vintage stamps. Blogging is a fantastic way to share your passion with the world and actually get paid for it. Start a blog, create engaging content, and monetize it through affiliate links, ads, or selling your own products or services. You get to be your own boss, set your own schedule, and watch your income grow as your blog gains more readers. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of my favorite ways to make money online. It's all about promoting products or services that you genuinely love and use, and then earning a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. You simply share your recommendations with your audience, and when they buy, you earn. It's like getting paid to share your favorite things. Are you naturally charismatic and love being in front of the camera? Creating a YouTube channel is an incredible way to express yourself, connect with a global audience, and make some serious money. Choose a niche, create high-quality videos, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Are you always on top of the latest social media trends? Do you have a knack for creating scroll-stopping content? Becoming a social media manager could be your dream job. Businesses are looking for social media gurus to manage their online presence. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice of the brand, crafting engaging captions, scheduling posts, running ads, and interacting with followers. You'll get to flex your creative muscles and help businesses thrive online. Ever dreamed of running your own online store without the hassle of inventory, packaging, or shipping? That's where dropshipping comes in. You can sell products online through your own website without ever actually touching the inventory. Create an online store, list products from a dropshipping supplier, and when a customer places an order, the supplier handles the rest. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model. Are you a creative soul with a passion for design? Turn your artistic talents into a profitable business with print on demand. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble allow you to create and sell custom-designed products without the need for any upfront inventory or equipment. Simply upload your designs. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. The possibilities are endless. When a customer places an order, the platform prints your design on the product and ships it directly to them. You get to focus on what you love, designing, and they handle the rest. Are you the friend everyone comes to for grammar advice? Can you spot a typo from a mile away? If so, then proofreading might be your perfect side hustle. Businesses, authors, students, they all need eagle-eyed proofreaders to ensure their written content is polished and error-free. You can find proofreading gigs on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or even reach out to businesses and publications directly. Do you have an eye for design and a passion for creating visually stunning graphics? Then graphic design could be your calling. Businesses are always in need of talented designers to create logos, websites, social media graphics, marketing materials, and so much more. With tools like Canva and Photoshop, you can bring your design ideas to life and offer your services to clients worldwide. Are you a great listener with excellent typing skills? If so, then transcription could be the perfect side hustle for you. Transcription involves listening to audio or video files and converting them into accurate written text. There's a huge demand for transcription services from businesses, podcasters, YouTubers, and more. Platforms like Rev connect transcribers with clients, offering a steady stream of work. Imagine this: creating a product once and selling it over and over again without having to worry about inventory or shipping. That's the beauty of selling digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, or even stock photos and music, the possibilities are endless. You create it, list it on platforms like Etsy or your own website, and watch the passive income roll in. Looking for a low-skill, high-availability way to make extra money online? Data entry might be the answer. Many companies need help inputting data into spreadsheets, databases, or other systems, and they're willing to pay for reliable individuals to do it. It might not be the most glamorous job, but it's a great way to earn some quick cash, and you can often do it from anywhere with an internet connection. Plus, it's a great way to get your foot in the door with remote work. Do you have a knack for photography and a camera roll full of stunning images? Turn those photos into passive income with stock photography. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties every time someone licenses them. Do you have a voice that captivates? Maybe you're known for your soothing tones or your ability to deliver a compelling narrative. If so, then voiceover work could be your calling. From commercials and explainer videos to audiobooks and animated films, there's a huge demand for talented voiceover artists. You can find gigs on freelance platforms, specialized voiceover websites, or even create your own demos and reach out to potential clients directly. Are you a master crafter creating beautiful jewelry, cozy knitted scarves, or unique home decor pieces? Share your creations with the world and turn your passion into profit by selling on Etsy. Etsy is the go-to online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods. Do you have a knack for problem solving and a passion for helping others? Then a remote customer service position might be the perfect fit. Companies like Amazon and Apple are constantly hiring remote customer service representatives to provide support via phone, email, or chat. You'll get to help customers with their questions and concerns, troubleshoot issues, and ensure they have a positive experience with the brand. Did you know you can get paid for simply sharing your thoughts and opinions on websites and apps? It's true. Companies are constantly looking for feedback on their digital products, and they're willing to pay for your insights. Websites like User Testing allow you to sign up, take tests, and earn money for providing your honest feedback. Have you mastered a skill or gained valuable knowledge in a particular area? Share your expertise with the world and create an online course. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell online courses on any topic you can imagine. Do you have a way with words and a desire to share your thoughts and ideas with the world? Consider writing on Medium. Medium is an online publishing platform that allows writers to share their stories, essays, articles, and more with a vast and engaged audience. While it's free to publish on Medium, the platform also offers a partner program that allows writers to earn money based on how much engagement their stories receive. It's a great way to build your writing portfolio, connect with other writers, and potentially earn some income from your writing. Online surveys might not make you rich, but they're a super easy and accessible way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars offer points or cash rewards for completing surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. It's a great way to earn some pocket money while you're catching up on your favorite shows or waiting for an appointment. Have you always dreamed of becoming an author? Self-publishing has made it easier than ever to share your story with the world. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can upload your manuscript, design your cover, and set your price, all for free. Are you fluent in more than one language? If so, you have a valuable skill that's in high demand. Businesses, organizations, and individuals are constantly looking for skilled translators to help them communicate effectively across language barriers. Platforms like Django and Prezi connect translators with clients, offering a wide range of projects from translating documents and websites to subtitling videos and interpreting live events. Are you a numbers whiz with a knack for organization and attention to detail? Online bookkeeping could be your perfect remote career path. Small businesses are always in need of reliable bookkeepers to manage their finances. Wow! Can you believe we just covered 25 legit ways to make money online from home? That's amazing! Whether you're a creative soul drawn to freelance writing, tutoring, or blogging, or maybe you're a natural entrepreneur excited about dropshipping or starting your own online business, there's an opportunity out there that's perfect for you. Start small, stay consistent. You've got this. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Found this helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe for weekly money tips, and comment below with the method you're trying first. I'm so excited for you to start your online income journey. Thanks for watching. Don't miss my next video on starting a blog and making your first $100 online.